What's up, YouTube? It's the Bass God. Hey, another update. I got my new dash panel in. As y'all can see, there's no cracks anywhere. And you can kind of tell with the color difference that this one is new. No cracks nowhere. Pretty sturdy. Now, my bezel trim right here, as y'all see, this is going to get replaced back to the factory look. Now, this is my old one right here. This goes to the radio, and I got this little carbon fiber plating over it, which is kind of hard to come off, so it's gonna make it look bad. So I'm replacing that, and my air vents with the black, all that's getting replaced. I'm getting new ones. If you look at this, this is stuff that had all the dust from my previous builds, all this dust and debris. I don't want that in there now since I cleaned my truck already. My center console right here with a dome light. That's this little piece right here. Things has been broken because of bass. I have my knobs right here on my push buttons. That's been broken. This is getting replaced with a new one. I'm gonna clean this, and I'm gonna put some more spray foam in here and try to make that piece more solid. So this is getting replaced. Carpet is gonna be clean. Truck is gonna look almost damn near new again. And my seats right here, both of those are getting replaced as well. So progress is being made. Everything is looking good. It was a pain in the ass putting this thing back in, but it managed to get in there. Don't got no holes anywhere. Everything's looking fresh in here now. So only thing I'm waiting for is basically my subs to get here. Once my subs get here, I'm putting all those bad boys in the same day. They're all going in the same day. As soon as I get them, they going in. Unless I gotta work or something, they'll be in the next day. But just give y'all an update. Progress is being made, and definitely can't wait for these SP4s to come in so you guys can actually see my first video, which should be at finals here in Lawton, Oklahoma. So if some of y'all are coming out, y'all can check out my truck. I'll be here for the USAC finals, and y'all can actually see the truck. All right, y'all got any questions, hit me up.